In this video, I will show you a quick feature that's inside of Excel that will turn a picture, either a snipping tool or a picture on your computer, to data into Excel. For example, here we have the financial summary for Tesla 2023. And if we try to just select the data, copy it, go back to Excel and try to paste it, it will not look very good. What we need to do is to transfer the data into Excel in a better way. What we can do is to take a snipping, so Windows Shift S to get the snipping tool, and then take a snipping of the data. Then we go back to Excel, and here in the data tab in the ribbon, we have from picture, and here you choose either from a snipping tool or a picture on your computer. Let's take this from clipboard, and here to the right you will see that it will analyze the data. It will have some issues that you can review if you want to, or we just press insert data. And if there are some items still needed to be reviewed, we can insert it anyway. And this works for almost all picture. You can take a picture with your cell phone in a textbook and then use this from picture. So it works with different kind of pictures and it understands the picture very well, and it will get the data into Excel. And that is how you convert a picture into data in Excel.